My thoughts on the share price being under $5, if they can survive and they can continue to grow their numbers, and NIO is very undervalued at these prices. Now there are a lot of risks. I don't think that the Chinese government will let this company go bankrupt. There's a sense of nationalism. The Chinese want to be big in the automotive game. I believe that this is a company that can eventually go on for global expansion. But with all that being said, this is a speculative stock, and there's huge upside, believe that, but also believe that there's huge risk that come with investing in this equity. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Courtside Financial. My name's Obi, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because NIO is very well documented on this channel. And also make sure you hit that like button because it really does go a long way in helping out the channel. So yesterday, Fei Fang, who is the analyst at Goldman Sachs, gave NIO another downgrade. He downgraded it from neutral to sell. So he pretty much stands firm on his price target of NIO being $7. In previous videos, I mentioned that a lot of NIO investors were becoming too euphoric and the stock price could be a bubble. Let's talk about EV stocks. Nikola, Tesla, Workhorse, NIO, Hyliion. I just want to bring this to everyone's attention that you can't really find a single EV stock that is not thriving right now. So you got to think about if EV stocks are a bubble or not. If EV stocks are in a bubble, the implications are going to be really bad, especially for FOMO investors who have just been chasing green waves, in my opinion. I had people saying that it was going to go to $20 right away, that it was going to go to $50, $100. And when you start hearing a lot of talks like this, that's when it's important to take a step back and try to remain objective. I also said that I wasn't going to keep putting all my money into NIO just because it was going up. I can't tell you where the stock is going to go in the short term, but what I can do is diversify and manage risk. NIO's not the only stock that I hold in my portfolio. And this just comes back to why it's important to have cash on the sidelines, so that when there is an opportunity like we're having right now, that you're able to average down and kind of fix your position. Maybe you got in at NIO too high and maybe you want to bring your position down a little bit more. Best investors invest consistently and go long on stocks. It's not about just picking a winner. That's just about 25% of the work, in my opinion. The other 75% is how you manage your position. For NIO specifically, I have not sold a single share, and the stock is still way above my cost basis. So I'm unfazed by this pullback that we're seeing right now. In fact, as someone who's long on this company, I'm in favor of it. You have to kind of manage your expectations because NIO is a volatile stock, and stocks in general don't just go up. Gravity still exists. Keep in mind that Goldman Sachs still has over 10.8 million shares of NIO, making them a top 10 large institutional holder. Well, years from now, we might laugh at these prices. But if you can't handle the volatility, this might not be the stock for you. I'm young and I have a high appetite for risk, so this is something that's very attractive to me. But every investor has a different risk tolerance, and you shouldn't invest any money that you can't afford to lose. So I made this video because a lot of you guys wanted my opinion on the Goldman Sachs downgrade. I did a video on their previous downgrade from buy to neutral. So there you guys have it. That's my opinion, and that's how I'm looking at the situation. I'm still very bullish on NIO. I'm still making other investments, and I plan on adding more to my position very soon and averaging up. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below. I want to know what you guys are doing with your NIO investment and what you think about the Goldman Sachs downgrade.